Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Facebook with your usual account so the system recognizes you. Once logged in, open Settings and Privacy and tap Settings, then head straight to Security and Login. This is where two-factor controls live. Make sure your phone or authentication app is at hand because Facebook may ask for a current code to confirm it's you. Once you can access two-factor authentication settings, you're ready to remove or modify methods safely. Now you inspect the active two-factor methods so you know what to remove and why. This prevents accidentally losing access. Start by deleting any backup codes, phone numbers, or authenticator app entries you no longer use, and remove security keys you don't trust. When you tap to disable a specific method, Facebook will ask for a current code or to confirm identity. Provide that to proceed. This step-by-step removal ensures you retain control and reduces the risk of being locked out afterwards. Finish by choosing Turn Off in the two-factor authentication settings and follow prompts to confirm why you're disabling it. Facebook will ask for a final verification code or your password to confirm it's you. Once accepted, two-factor protection will be disabled for future logins, so make sure your password is strong and unique. If something goes wrong, immediately use any saved recovery codes, your linked email, or the account recovery process to regain access. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.